In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach file to mails in Outlook. If you're sending an email in Outlook and need to include a document, image, spreadsheet, or any other file, the process is very simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Outlook and go to your mailbox. From there, click on New. This opens the options for creating something new inside Outlook. If you don't immediately see a draft message appear, don't worry. The next selection will make sure you're starting a standard email message. After clicking New, click on Mail. This opens a new email draft where you can begin writing your message. At this point, you would normally enter the recipient, add a subject line, and type your message. Even if you haven't finished writing the email yet, you can still attach the file now and continue editing the message afterward. Once the new email window is open, look for the Insert option and click on it. The Insert menu is where Outlook keeps tools for adding extra content into your email, including files, pictures, and sometimes links or other items. If you've never used this menu before, it's a helpful place to remember because many attachment-related options are stored there. Inside the Insert section, click on Attach Files. This is the option that lets you add a file from your computer or from a connected location, depending on how your Outlook account is set up. After clicking it, a file browser should open so you can locate the item you want to send. Choose the file you need, then confirm your selection. Once it's attached, you should see the file appear in the email draft. That's how you know it has been added successfully. Before sending, it's always a good idea to double check that you selected the correct file and that it's the latest version, especially if you're sending important work, school, or personal documents. Also, keep in mind that very large files may take longer to upload or may not send at all, depending on Outlook's size limits. If that happens, you may need to reduce the file size or use a cloud sharing option instead. And that's it. You click New, select Mail, go to Insert, and then choose Attach Files to add your document to the message. Once the file is attached and your email is ready, you can review everything one last time and send it with confidence.